The United Nations Assistance Mission in Afghanistan has condemned the Taliban's recent execution of a man in Paktia Province, calling for an immediate moratorium on all public executions. More details in the following report.
In a statement posted on X, UNAMA criticised the public execution that took place on Wednesday, November the 13th, labelling it a clear violation of international human rights obligations. The agency describes such acts as contrary to Afghanistan's commitment to uphold global standards of justice. UNAMA urged the Taliban-led government to halt all executions and work towards the permanent abolition of the death penalty, emphasising the need for respect for due process and fair trial rights, including access to legal representation. The Taliban's public execution, overseen by senior officials, included Interior Minister Sirajuddin Haqqani, involved the execution of Mohammed Ayaz Assad, convicted of murder. This event, witnessed by a large crowd in Gardes, reflects a troubling trend of public punishments that have resumed since the Taliban regained power in August 2021. Reports indicate that at least 176 public executions have occurred in the past 3 years, alongside numerous lashings and stonings, prompting widespread condemnation from human rights advocates. In a related development, the Taliban court in Balkh has issued a directive barring men with short beards from testifying in court. This policy requires witnesses to have beards that are at least a fist's length, effectively excluding many potential witnesses and raising concerns about the fairness of legal proceedings. Court officials have been instructed to measure the beard length for those seeking to testify, and notices have been posted to inform the public of this new requirement. Human rights advocates and Afghan citizens have expressed outrage over these practices. Activist Sanam Khabiri stated that the Taliban are committing severe abuses against the people of Afghanistan, while a Kabul resident criticised the use of sports stadiums for executions instead of addressing pressing social needs like education and employment for women. The Taliban's strict interpretations of Sharia law, reinforced by a decree mandating harsh punishments, continue to draw calls for international intervention and accountability. This is Aruj Fatma for Shia Waves.